In this quick video tutorial, you will learn how to create YouTube Shorts videos step by step. Hey digital learners, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I am Rahul from LearnDigitalWithRahul.com and I help digital creators like you turn your digital presence into profit using various digital marketing strategies. In today's video, I am going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create YouTube Shorts videos. And if you keep watching this video until the end, you will also come to know about a bonus tip that will help you get most out of your YouTube Shorts videos. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon so that you never miss an important update. Alright, now without any further delay, let's get started. YouTube recently introduced YouTube Shorts as a beta feature allowing you to create and upload short form vertical videos up to 60 seconds, just like TikTok and Instagram Reels. So let's proceed to learn how to use this new functionality to create YouTube Shorts videos. But before we proceed, let me tell you YouTube Shorts is currently available as a beta feature for all YouTube creators in India. And slowly it's expanding to other countries as well. However, as a viewer, you may watch YouTube Shorts videos no matter which country you belong to. If you can't see the YouTube Shorts feature in your YouTube app, make sure you have the latest version of the app. Simply open the App Store and update the app. Then open the YouTube app and tap on the video upload button. Depending upon whether you are using Android or iOS, this may be either here or at the bottom, but you have to make sure that you tap on the video upload button. Here you'll see the create a short option, next to which you will see beta, which basically denotes that it's currently a beta feature in testing. The camera icon on the left signifies that it's a camera feature, and when you tap on this, it will basically open the camera integrated within the YouTube app. If you have ever created TikTok video or Instagram Reels and Stories, then you may understand what I mean. Here you get the option to add music, and if you tap here, you will see the various tracks available here. And all of these tracks are available for you to use in your YouTube Shorts. And if you use them, you won't get any copyright strikes. For now, cancel this. And here you get the option to adjust the speed. You can 1x, 2x to make it faster or 3x to make it even more faster. I'll keep this 1x, and after that, you also get the timer settings here, where you may set the timer whether you want to start the recording after 3 seconds, 10 seconds or 20 seconds. You may also adjust this slider to adjust the timer for your recording. I'll keep this 3 seconds and then I'll press this start to show you how I'm recording my first YouTube short. Hey digital learners, I have just created this brand new YouTube channel to play around with YouTube Shorts. Here I am going to upload short form vertical videos. So as my first video, I just wanted to say Namaste YouTube. So now that I have recorded this video, I am going to proceed to publish it. For that, I'll simply tap this button that says Next. And after that, it will process the video. And here you can see the user interface to add details like title, and let me add some title here, and then I can set the privacy, whether I want to keep it public or unlisted or private, or I want to schedule this. I will keep this public, and then I'll select the audience. You may set your audience whether this is made for kids or not, and note this is not made for kids, so I'll select this, and then whether you want to restrict your video to an adult audience or not. This is optional, so you can leave that. Now go back, and everything is done here, so you just have to press this upload button, and after I press upload, this will start processing for uploading. And after the processing of video, the video will be live and publicly visible. And now you can see this. So this was the step-by-step process of creating and uploading YouTube Shorts videos. But creating videos is one thing, while growing your business through videos is another. If you want to learn YouTube marketing and growth strategies, visit YouTubeSEOacademy.com to download your free copy of YouTube SEO Cheat Sheet. And as promised in the beginning of this video, here is a bonus tip that will help you get most out of your YouTube Shorts videos. When you create and upload a short form vertical video as YouTube Shorts, simply download that video and upload the same video as Instagram Reels to get more visibility on Instagram as well. So this was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit that like button and share it with someone who might find it helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below and I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating YouTube Shorts content and feel proud to be a #digital creator.